All right, folks, we got here a nice trade-in here for you. Again, this is a 2017 Hyundai Tucson. Again, this is going to be something unique, something different. Let's go over this vehicle together. But first, I want you to notice here is not only just a Hawkeye style to the actual vehicle itself, but again, you'll notice your fog lights too to help with better visibility. Listen, you have the breakaway mirrors, tight spaces, alleyways, they get tough. You'll be easy with that there. Not only that, you have your privacy glass too as well. Help the passengers out. I'm going to show you a little bit about the trunk. You're going to be excited. All right, folks, I want to show you about this trunk here for sure. Not only will you notice the space that it actually has, there's your visor as well, especially when you got produce in the back on a hot day. Your seats do come down, okay? So 60-40 split as well. And underneath, your spare. Coming on the back side here, you'll notice for the passenger side, lots and lots of leg room. Not only that, you'll notice the cup holder in the middle, and it's very, very comfortable, might I say. And also, when you come to the front, not only do you have hands-free columns, backup camera, okay, you have cruise control, including drive mode and four-wheel lock. There's a whole lot of things I'd like to show you. You have to come down soon. All right, folks, the finishing touches here. Again, this is a 2017 Hyundai Tucson, okay? Definitely one of our fresh trade-in alerts here I want to be able to notify you about. It's a great vehicle, all-wheel drive as well, too. My name is Mike McKinnon, located here in Delaney Honda, right across the street from Walmart, 115 Lenz Road, Indiana, PA. Number to reach me, 724-717-1500. I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.